Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in the simplest possible way. In our previous video, we have seen some of the basic data type conversions and also some of the advanced data type conversions. In this video, we will see some of the data type conversions which are not possible. So let's go ahead and see what exactly those are. Let's say I have this string. In my string, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, if anything that is enclosed within the single quotes or double quotes considered as string. Let's say I wanted to check the type of this string. I can able to get string. If I wanted to convert this string to, let's say, integer, I will be passing this to integer and string, and I wanted to store integer value, right? So if I check type of, it is possible. It is possible because it is of it is possible and I am able to convert this string to list. Let's say, what if I have a in here, and if I execute this, I am getting string of type. See, observe carefully. I am here and I am executing this. I am able to execute this cell, and now I am execute this cell, and I am able to get string. And now I am trying to execute this cell, and whenever I am trying to execute this, whenever I am converting this string to int, I am getting error saying invalid literal for int with base 10, which are the value that I am passing. Why this error getting? Because it is telling I am able, by passing any value to int, I am able to convert any values from 0 to 9, and you are giving some other value which is of a. Because of that reason, it was giving this kind of an error. So this is one of the type which is not possible to convert. Now let's go ahead and see some more example. Let's say I have complex number which is of 5 plus 6j. In this complex number, let's say I wanted to convert this complex number to integer. I am passing this complex to integer. Let's see it is possible to convert complex number to integer or not. I am executing this. I am getting can't convert complex to integer. This is one of the cases where we cannot convert complex number to integer number. So let's go ahead and understand some advanced data type conversions. Let's say in our previous video we have seen conversion of dict to list, and in this video we are trying to see, let's say in my list variable I am having, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my list and I wanted to convert this to dictionary. So I am passing this to dict, and what I get? I am getting cannot convert dictionary update sequence element as 0 to a sequence, which is telling that I am passing only these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, which might be considered as keys, and I am not passing any kind of values. Because of that reason, this process of conversion of list variable to dictionary, it is not possible. That is what it was saying. Let's say I have this tuple having 1, 3, 5, 7. I'm saying tuple, right? So one tuple is enclosed with parentheses 1, 3, 5, and 7. If I wanted to convert this again to dict, let's say what we will be getting. Let's see what we will be getting. I am again getting same kind of an error, which is not possible to convert to a sequence. This is how, this is what we cannot actually convert any sequence to dictionary. In the similar fashion, if I wanted to convert even string also, let's say I am having this Mahesh and I wanted to convert this to dictionary, the same output we will be getting, similar output we will be getting. Dictionary update sequence element 0 has length 1, 2 is required. That is how, which is also telling it is not possible to convert this string to dictionary. So in this video we have discussed, to summarize, in this video we have discussed what are the cases which are not possible. Initially we have discussed a string which is of having any value other than 0 to 9 is not possible to convert to integer, and going further we have discussed about complex number converting of integer number is not possible, and also we have seen list value to dictionary is not possible, tuple value also not possible to convert, and also we have seen dictionary value is not possible to convert, string value is not possible to convert dictionary values. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, you have gained some kind of knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.